course this is part of a laundry as well. I presume this would be people's laundries with thingy. So like uniforms, bedding, towels. So that would be where the items will get pressed, and that I presume is delicate press. Even the hat's getting cleaned. And then body press, shoulder shaper, shirt collar and cuff press. Did quite a lot in different washing machines there. Then you've got your dryer, you've got your flatwork ironer, and of course they use bold. I like that. And Queen used bold. I use bold. So yeah, quite a lot went into laundry, didn't it? Like I said, this is where the cat's probably cleaned as well. So this was the Royal boat here. Yeah. As you can see, the Queen's Crest on the side as well. And there's the statistics. Can't even pronounce it properly. So yeah, she was decommissioned on 11th December 1997 because it was going to cost too much to for her repairs to be done. So the Yachty statue. Let's see here. And Britannia is owned by the Royal Yacht Britannia Trust, excuse me. So, any floating debris. Polystyrene now as well. Which way? That way. There's the badges. Forgotten what they're actually called. There's a certain name for them. And of course this is a beaming engine room. Look how clean it is. Look at that, it's very spanner. They're big, they're ones. So that's your gearbox. Alright, there's your engine room guide. Just look how gleaming it is though, innit? And you think it's used for good, I'm trying to think now, 40 years or so, 40 odd years she was in commission for, innit? And then how the steam engine works. Yeah, so yeah, 43 years she was commissioned. Nearly 44. And then you can see Queen Elizabeth II's regal there as well, even in the engine room. So that was used on the Royal Yacht Victoria and Albert III. So these were documenting the building of the yacht. This Chief Petty Officer's cabin. And this is the supply office. So that's the view there. and got Royal Sailing Exhibition. So that's 2, 3, or is it 2? I'm not sure how that's pronounced. The Racing Yacht Britannia. Bloodhound. That's Carol's looking the Isle of Wight. Sailor's Mess by the looks of it. Junior Rates Mess. And a range of all the different knots. So I learnt some of them in cadets, but I cannot remember them. The only one I can remember is the bowline. Clovage I can't even remember, to be honest, and that's a simple one. So if you want to learn any of them, there you go. Another toilet. Another 2 toilets. Got the boiler room there. And that's Junior Rates bathroom. So there's your showers and your sinks. So 9 showers, 21 basins, used by up to 150 junior ratings. Those steps there, I presume, would have been used by the Queen herself and the rest of the royal family, and maybe anybody else, like state-wise, coming for state events as well. As you can see, that's where all the royal area was. And then you got here the Rolls Royce Phantom 5. It's not a royal car. Nice cow slip. So of course, I presume it's not a royal car because there's no regal or anything on it. It's got a dent in it as well, so. Yeah. Can you see it? Just there. Just there. Where it's all bubbly. So close, yeah. So that's the end of the tour of the HMY Royal Yacht Britannia, and I hope that you enjoyed that visit. Hope I could give you as much information as possible for those who are unable to visit. And also, I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.